Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy your services with Toptal, beginner guide step by step clearly. To deploy your services with Toptal, start by visiting the Toptal website. Create an account by clicking on the sign up button. Fill out the required information, including your email and a secure password. Once you've created an account, log in to access your dashboard. Next, take a look at the onboarding process. This usually involves filling out your profile with your skills and experience. Be sure to highlight your expertise, as this will help match you with potential projects. After completing your profile, it's time to take the assessment. This assessment will evaluate your technical skills and problem-solving abilities. Once you've completed the assessment, await feedback from Toptal. If successful, you will be invited for an interview. During the interview, be prepared to discuss your experience and approach to problem solving. Once you pass the interview, you will officially be a part of the Toptal network. Next, it's time to explore available projects. Log into your Toptal dashboard and browse through the project listings. Select projects that align with your skills and interests. Submit your proposal for the projects you'd like to work on. Be concise and direct in your proposal, showcasing why you're a good fit. Once you submit your proposals, monitor your dashboard for client responses. When you receive an invitation to work on a project, review the project details carefully. Confirm your availability and understanding of the project requirements. After agreeing to the project, establish communication with the client. Use Toptal's communication tools to stay in touch throughout the project. As you begin work, ensure you meet deadlines and maintain quality. Provide regular updates to the client on your progress. Once the project is completed, submit your work for the client's review. Be open to feedback and ready to make revisions if necessary. After project approval, invoice the client through the Toptal platform. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.